Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you have a good day. Let me welcome you to the remastered second version of automated software testing with Puppeteer. Puppeteer is a very powerful tool for browser automation. It is also a very good alternative to Cypress and Selenium. I would say it's even better than both of them. It's super fast, it can be run headless, it has a full documentation online, and a very active community with over 60,000 stars on GitHub already. So if you want to start creating fast and stable end-to-end tests within 5 minutes and not spending time in problematic setup and configuration, you are in the right course. In about 10 hours, you will become a Puppeteer expert. We will start from the basic concepts and simple browser automation examples, and we will end up with large enterprise-ready test automation framework designs. And of course, you will get a lot of best practices with many tips and tricks. So, what will you learn? We start from the complete basics, such as how to set up a project, with all professional stuff such as Prettier for automated code formatting to keep your code organized and clean. Then we start with simple browser automation examples and test scenarios, so you will get a good knowledge of Puppeteer concepts and API. After that, we start with more complex advanced stuff such as page objects pattern, along with end-to-end testing scenarios on live demo application. Then I'm gonna show you how to use visual regression testing using Jest image snapshot library. This allows you to test large data tables and visualizations with only a few lines of code using image diff algorithms. And of course, Puppeteer integration with BDD and Cucumber is a must-have topic. During all topics, I'm gonna provide you with many best practices and useful tips and tricks to help you become a real Puppeteer expert. There are also 2 complete live projects from scratch, where I'm gonna show you 2 different test automation frameworks. First is my favorite, Builder Pattern framework using combination of Puppeteer and Mocha Steps library. This one is very powerful framework, which I have seen being used for testing a lot of large complex applications. Second one is also very popular, Jest Puppeteer combination. This framework is more lightweight, so it's good for smaller applications and projects. But this one is very fast to build and use, also for junior engineers. But it's important that you know both of them. Also, with this knowledge, you will be able to modify or upgrade them, or even come up with your own Puppeteer framework. So don't be afraid to do experiments and be creative. And why should you learn Puppeteer? Puppeteer is developed and maintained by Google Chrome team, so it has a first-class support and community. There are basically no bugs in Puppeteer, and even if you find one, it is being fixed almost instantly after you report it. Puppeteer uses modern JavaScript syntax with all those cool features such as async await. It has basically zero configuration, so you don't need to set up any browser instance. Everything is handled by Puppeteer automatically with one single line of code. And it comes bundled with the right version of Chromium, so it's guaranteed that it will always work. Doesn't matter what Puppeteer version are you using. So no more issues and problems with maintaining browser versions not being synchronized with your test runner, etc. Puppeteer is also very, but seriously very fast and stable, so say goodbye to flaky tests. And last but not least, Puppeteer does not use Selenium. It controls the browser using the DevTools protocol, so no need to install and maintain any browser drivers or Selenium server as well. So, are you ready to have fun? Let's start.